Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Brush and floss thoroughly so the corrector sticks to enamel, not food residue. Once done, dry teeth for 30 to 60 seconds with air or a clean gauze. This gives a consistent base. Next, apply a thin layer of teeth color corrector to the front 6 teeth, working from center out. Use short, deliberate strokes and avoid the gum line. This prevents staining and uneven edges. You'll see coverage immediately, but thin layers let you build shade control. Once the first coat sets, wait 60 to 90 seconds and then assess. This pause reveals true color. You want 1 to 2 thin coats total. Thicker films look fake and flake. Make small corrections with a clean microbrush to blend edges toward the back teeth and keep product off gums and lips for comfort. Also, check your work in natural light at arm's length so you see the real shade. That way, you control intensity without overdoing it and maintain a natural finish. You finish by sealing the corrector with a quick-setting clear gloss or enamel-safe top coat to protect an even shine. Once sealed, remove any excess immediately with a damp swab. Dab, don't rub, to avoid smearing. Make sure you wait the recommended cure time before eating or drinking. If streaks or patches show up, re-dry the surface, buff very lightly with a clean, dry brush, and apply 1 thin corrective coat. That usually fixes unevenness without overlayering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.